Hi, my third grade mathematicians. Yes, we're just going to finish this up. It won't take but a second. I'm sorry that we got stopped in that video. But we were at 10/6, 11/6, and then this is 12/6, and 12/6 is equal to 2 wholes. Now, if I look at this, I can find some fractions that are equivalent. 1/4 is equivalent to 2/8. 3/8 is equivalent to 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8. 5/4 is equivalent to 10/8. So you can find lots of fractions that are equivalent. Fractions that are equivalent to 1. So all of the fractions that are equivalent to 1 whole. What are those fractions that are equivalent to 1 whole? 6/6 and 3/3 are equivalent to 1 whole. So we know that. 4/4 and 8/8 are equivalent to 1 whole. So there's lots of information you can find, and you can do that. Spend a little time doing that and finding fractions that are equivalent. 8/4 is equivalent to 16/8. 6/3 is equivalent to 12/6. They're all at the same place on the number line, so we know that those are equivalent. So let's take a look here. You can use your number lines that you just created or your number line strips. So pick those up, find 1/4, and find your eighths. Now, what is equivalent to 1/4? Very good. 2/8 is equivalent to 1/4. Now find, let's look at 6/4. If you have 6/4, look, 6 is doubled. And that's 12, so we can double the 4, and that would be 8. 6/4 is equivalent to 12/8. But look back at those number lines on the video that we just did, and you can see that. 2/3 is equivalent to, look at your number lines, find your thirds and sixths. 2/3 and 4/6. Very good. 6/3 is equivalent to 12/6. Very good, boys and girls. 3/3 is equivalent to, yes, 6/6. That's an easy one. That's 1 whole. 2 wholes is equivalent to 8/4, which is also equivalent to 16/8. You have all of that on your number lines that we just looked at. Excellent, excellent job. All right, so you're going to complete the front of the page. You'll need crayons and markers. Choose one problem on the back. You're going to complete all of that. Oh, and also the mystery word. We've learned a lot about fractions today and over the past few weeks. All right, keep up the good work.